how to connect to EZCONFIG. Visit the Software Center and create an account. Log in using your new credentials and expand the following folders: Software, Barcode Scanners, Software, Tools and Utility, EZCONFIG for Scanning, Download EZCONFIG, Scanning v4_5.5.35_setup.exe. Double-click on the setup file and proceed with the installation steps. Our recommendation is to use the Internet Explorer version for a better connection between the scanner and the app. Allow blocked content if the pop-up shows up. Because the scanner is connected, we will select Connected Device, and EZCONFIG will start the process of detecting the scanner. After the detection is finished, you will be able to configure the device, update firmware, scan the data window.